Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lalita Prasida. So yeah guys, today I'm going to try something creative and something which I used to do in my childhood days when I was in class 4 and 5. So we used to try glass paintings during our summer vacations, and with my friends when particular set of people do not go out for vacations, we club together, and for some few hours we spend together and do few things. Like one of them is glass paintings. So I just wanted to show that today, and today what I'm going to try is, you have already seen in the thumbnail, it is a Mickey Mouse and a Minnie Mouse. So yeah guys, let me just take you through the requirements of a glass painting. So let's see, what do we require. We require a pen, paper. I had already drawn the Mickey Mouse or the Minnie Mouse, whatever like I thought of drawing on the glass. And of course a glass painting के लिए glass तो ज़रूरी है. I guess you are able to see this. And sellotape, Fevicryl, the normal glass colors that are available in the market, scissors, and scale. So yeah guys, before starting the glass painting, I just wanted to make you all aware of a few precautions that we need to take. Of course, glass, it is breakable, so you need to be very careful with this. Along with that, right now there are some finger marks on this, so that you need to clean before actually pasting the glass, the paper behind the glass. And one more thing is, in order to stay safe from the corners, you just need to put 2 layers of sellotape over it. I'll show you everything clearly. 2 layers of sellotape on the borders of the glass, and after that you need to paste the page, the drawing which you want to glass paint it. You need to paste it in a reverse manner, because glass painting, the liner of the glass painting, when you touch it, it should not be on the outside of the glass, it should be inside. So it's a reversible one. We understand that mirror images, right? So like this, if you draw, your image would be perfect when you turn the glass this way. Because if you draw this way directly, then this won't be reversible, because if you draw it this way, the liner would be falling on this part, and this is only your front, so that cannot be done. So you need to reverse this, so that upar wala part with the surface would be plain. So I hope you understood what I meant. And yeah, so in case you did not, you just watch what I am doing. Okay. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you all that how I am doing this sellotape part, that is just this way. I hope you are able to see this. Yeah, so here, and here, all the 4 corners, I mean 4 sides, I had made it. And extension, you just need to cut it off. You are done cutting your the extensions of the sellotape, you just need to press it this way. You need to press it this way, bottom side, so that the yeah guys, so this thing is done. See, I hope you are able to see this. All the 4 sides, 4 corners are fixed now, and now it's absolutely safe. You can work with this glass. And before, as I said already, you just need to clean, because see, fingerprints are still seen. So yeah, you just need to clean, wipe off all the fingerprints also. So yeah, see you in some time. Guys, I'm done with my borders of the picture. I hope you can see this. Yeah, I need to let it dry now for some time, because we cannot directly color it. The black border, it might get mixed up with the colors. So I need to let it dry for almost 1.5 hour or 1 hour. That will be done. That will be enough. And yeah, I'll see you in some time after almost 1 hour, and then yeah, I'll just color it after that. Okay, so ta-ta. I had completed this few perfections, few corrections also I did, I know, but yeah, this has been there for almost 2 hours, 1.5 hour by now, and yeah, so let's start painting this. Okay. I hope you can see the corrections that I made. I think you can see the difference. Yeah. Previously these things were not there, but now I had corrected them. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's get started with the colors, glass colors. So one thing that I would like to say before using glass colors is to shake well before use. Okay, for mostly every acrylic one, we need to shake well before use. And yeah, so the colors that I require are pink, sky blue, red, yellow. That's it. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is, like, till now everything is done. The yellow color, the red color, the blue color, and the pink color, all the four colors are done. Now the color which I'm going to apply, it's completely very experimental color. Actually, skin color I don't have, like in these 10 glass colors it's not available skin color. So I just tried making a hybrid, like, the orange color along with the white color. So I mixed both of them. I got the right color, but I don't know whether this thing is correct or not. So yeah, this is completely mine, and I don't know whether this is correct or not, but it's working for me, so I tried it. So guys, finally the glass painting is complete, and just the finishing touches I'm giving it. And yeah, as it is drying, I'm cleaning the entire glass once again. This I'm doing it with turpentine oil. So guys, I'm finally done with the glass painting. So this is how the glass painting looks like, and I had covered it, completely. And yeah, this is now perfectly fit for keeping or presenting it for anyone. And yeah, in case you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned for more and more informative and good content coming up in my channel. So until I'll see you next time, take care, lots of love, your Lalita.